game here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'll go second. That's a huge save.
Oh,
That's just
what a shot. Remember this order, by the way. Here it is.
Oh!
What a save!
Flexibility, that's all I have to say. They're cool.
Let's go, Sumner.
That's how you do it in Alton right here.
Oh, Alton boy. I'm from Ohio, though.
Yeah, that is how you do it.
It really is all overlapping the socks. Let's go, bud.
They're all dirty.
Yep, Nikes. Here it is. Here comes the howitzer, boys.
Oh, shit, get in.
Oh, big save.
They did, bro.
All right. Oh. Buddy.
All right, we're here with the attendee Eric Leggett. How do you feel about your performance so far?
Oh, I've really enjoyed how I've played so far. You know, this is my second go around, and I think I have a lot of experience that I can take. Yes, I can go around to this tournament. I think I have a lot of experience from the last tournament to carry over into here, and obviously you saw that stopping everyone. Hopefully we can carry that over into the next round.
Yeah, how do you feel about stopping the Mid-States All-Star Mitch Oberlag there?
It's obviously a huge confidence builder. Not that I need any more confidence, that is. But yeah, it wasn't too difficult, if I do say so myself.
All right, thank you, Eric, for the video. Get him next round.
Thank you for your time.
Let's go, boys. Let's go. Let's go, bud. Here it is. What a save. Yep. SH, boys. Still yet to score. The goalie is still perfect. Here we go. Round 2. Are you going to be the first one to score or not? Let's go. Nifty. Yep. Ah! Be the first one to score. Did you just say be mine? Yep. Alton.
Oh! They don't teach you that in goalie school.
Do they? Or do they not?
They might.
Alright, here he goes. In the socks, still repping.
Damn it! I missed wide. I scored!
Oh!
Guys, right in my hand!
Alright, Eric, end of round 2, how you feeling?
Oh, I am feeling really fantastic about my performance. No one has scored yet. It's pretty miraculous, you know. But, you know, it's all about confidence. I believe in myself, and that's all that matters.
Well, I'm sorry, but you suck cock at game.
Well,
Anybody want to go fishing?
the statistics say otherwise, Colin. So, I mean, you can go ahead and believe that, but everyone knows what's right.
I guess we'll just have to see what happens next round then.
Yep, I guess we'll have to. What?
Round 3?
No, it's a defense.
Walker lessons.
Oh, that's stayed. Right here, me.
Let's go, Proc. Talk one.
Walker's hot today.
Hey, what's up?
Oh, yeah.
I gotta tell you something after this.
Oh!
Eric, don't stop. What are we on?
All right, let's go, Sumner. Still no one has scored. Eric, the brick wall. Alton! Where's the celly, you duster?
Oh my god.
Let's go, Nike socks.
Different sock, different stick every time I'm up. That's all that matters.
Yep. That's his game. Oh. Oh! Oh my god!
Yeah, man. It's just sick. It's just sick. The one end. I gotta use it every time.
Hey, that's
now.
talent. Nothing I can do about that.
Yeah. So, Eric Leggett here. How do you feel about that not so impressing your round?
I wouldn't call it not so impressing. I got, 3 out of 2. That's still over 50%. I
Yeah.
mean, those 2 goals, I mean, that's just pure talent. Nothing you can do about that. I mean,
Yeah.
that's what they teach over in Alton.
Yeah,
There's
I mean,
nothing you can do about that.
I feel like that's a downgrade though. Getting scored on by a guy from Alton.
Oh, no. Alton is absolutely the top tier team in the MBCHA, so
Yeah.
there's really nothing I can do about that.
How did
but-
you feel about Mitch's hands?
Oh, obviously they're dirty, but
Yeah.
end of the round wasn't as strong as I'd like it to be, but we're gonna bounce back in the next round.
All right. Good luck here in the next round.
All right, thank you. You too.
It is now recording.
Hey, let's go, Eric.
Eric's off his fucking game now.
Brink of elimination here, boys.
Staring elimination in the face.
Oh my.
What a goal!
Same move every time.
What a goal!
Brock, round 4, brink of elimination.
Oh, no goal! No goal!
On the line. How does that feel, Eric?
I feel lucky, but I'm glad he's out of the competition.
Yep. You going? Hey. All right, let's hear that sarcastic comment. Let's hear that sarcastic comment. Give us a sarcastic
I
comment.
don't have one. It's just unlucky. I mean, I hit the post and bounces off the goalie, and he just turns around and gets it. That's just pure skill by Manny. I mean, there's nothing I can do about it.
We're looking for the sarcastic comment.
Looking to bounce back next time.
Not at all what we wanted here. Colin Salter, brink of elimination. Will he get eliminated?
That ain't.
Maybe next time, don't talk shit on the goalie.
Oh, we got fight! Oh!
Children. Children.
Jack Sumner, round 4.
This is round 5.
This is round 4.
Why are you so bad?
All right, last shot of round 4. Nike socks.
Confident to go lefty this time.
He's going lefty. He's got better hands than me.
Oh!
What a freaking save!
Hey, that's just part
Unreal.
of the job description.
Overline, you get the interview.
That's just part of
Hey Eric, got a few interview questions for you. How does it feel that you almost got scored on by a lefty that plays righty?
I mean, that's just part of the job description. There's only so much you can do. Please don't.
No fun.
Don't.
Get a drink. Mid-interview drink, bro. There we go.
Next question. How does it feel that Jack Sumner scored 2 consecutive goals?
I mean, obviously it hurts my pride a little bit, but not every bounce is gonna go your way, and that's what happened with him today.
You had a good 2 eliminations, Brock and Colin. How do you feel about that?
I also eliminated Mitch Overleg too.
you didn't.
I think
No,
forgot.
he didn't get eliminated.
Oh,
Faggot.
oh shit, my bad. Well, obviously I'm glad Salter got eliminated. He had some harsh words for me earlier in the day. Luckily I took care of that, and Brock, I mean, we all kind of saw this one coming, so. Thank you for your time.
Can you stop the slap shot? Here it comes.
Elimination!
First loss.
You ready, goaltender?
I'm going behind you here.
Eliminated.
Nike socks. Sponsor.
No shit! Woo! Sumner wins! Get that winner interview. Here we have the winner of the shootout, Jack Sumner. From East Alton. West Alton?
No. Godfrey.
North Alton? South Alton. Let's go, Alton. Hey, let's get this interview, bud.
Thank you for not trying against me.
Let's get this interview, bud.
Okay.
How's that win feel?
Oh, it feels great. You know, taking out the whole Edwardsville Mid-State team right there. Like Proc, next year's captain for sure.
What do you this year's captain?
Eric, next Matt Griffin, probably better. Probably making it to the show this year, honestly.
He already is in the show.
It was just,
I got drafted by Pittsburgh in the 6th round. But it's cool. Go ahead.
that's a Philadelphia
No, keep going, bro.
jersey.
Keep going.
You know, it feels nice to get this huge win out here against all the Edwardsville kids. You know, gotta show them that I belong.
What's the first thing that you're gonna do with this win? What are you gonna do?
Probably rub it in a little bit to Eric that I scored on him twice.
You know what?
Twice.
We're here with the goalie after the shootout. How's it feel?
You know what? I feel great. I played my heart out. You know, those first 2 rounds, no one scored. I'm proud of my performance, and I still think there's a little more I could tap into, but I'm definitely happy with how I performed today.
Good work out there, bud. Colin Salter, how does it feel to get eliminated in the 4th round?
It's fucking amazing.
Not scoring any goals.
Feels
Yeah, you're in the same boat as me, buddy. How's that feel?
What? What?
Oh, here we go.
What?
What a shot! It went through the net. Did you guys see that?